Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to deposit money on your Wise account. If you created your Wise account recently and you want to add money, whether it be in any currency, then you can follow the steps of this video. Firstly, you need to create a currency account, which you can do that by tapping on Manage and then tap on Account Details. Here you'll be able to create the currency account of all these currencies. After you've done that, open up the currency account where you want to add the money. After you open up the currency account, click on add. Here you want to add in the sum of money. In my case, it is in US dollars because I'm trying to add US dollars to my Wise account. After you added the amount, you can select the currency that you're trying to pay with. You don't only have to pay with US dollars, you can select among these options. Now after that, you can click on continue. Here it will show you the total pay which you are trying to deposit and the fees related to it. Here you will have a few options to deposit. The first one is the ACH. If you have a ACH US account, you can try out this, but you can choose your preferred method from wire transfer, debit card deposit, credit card deposit, and international wire. Choose the payment method that you want and click on continue to payment. If you choose your card, here you'll need to enter in your card number. You'll need to enter in these details and then click on pay. The next step, you will receive a verification code on your mobile number. You'll need to enter in the code, and depending upon your location, the amount of money should be added to your currency account on Wise.